Hey guys, it's primary and secondary tutorials, and here I will show you how to find a cubic inverse. Now let me just start by preferencing that this is literally the exact same thing as finding a quadratic inverse, except you have a cubic root instead of a square root. So let's start. So here we have f of x is equal to 2 times x plus 3 cubed, not squared, but cubed, minus 4. So we've got to swap our variables. X is now equal to 2 times y plus 3 cubed minus 4. You're going to add 4 to both sides. X plus 4 is equal to 2 times y plus 3 cubed. So now we're going to divide both sides by 2. So here we have x plus 4 over 2 is equal to y plus 3 cubed. And so with quadratic inverses, we would use a square root to get rid of the square. So here we will use a cubic root to get rid of the cubed. And that can be shown as a radical sign with a little 3 on the side of it. So now the cubic root of x plus 3 over 2 is equal to y plus 3. And now we subtract 3 from both sides. So now the cubic root of x plus 4 over 2 minus 3 is equal to y, or the f inverse of x. Just like the last ones, that 2 in the denominator will get moved in front of the x plus 4 to now form the cubic root of 1/2 times x plus 4 minus 3 is equal to f inverse of x. And so here's your answer. Here we have another problem. We have f of x is equal to 1/2 times x minus 5 cubed plus 2. And so again, we have to change our variables. I accidentally wrote 2 x's, so let me change that to a y real quick. All right, let's go. So now we're going to subtract both sides by 2. X minus 2 is equal to 1/2 times y minus 5 cubed. And so what we're going to do differently here is since it's 1/2 times y minus 5 cubed, we're actually going to times both sides by 2. And you can choose to keep it separate on the x side, or you can multiply it together, but in your end answer, it will be separate, so it will look like 2 times x minus 4. So now we're going to get the cubic root of both sides. The cubic root of 2x minus 4 is equal to y minus 5. And just like I said, I did factor it back out. So it looks like 2 times x minus 2. So now we're going to add 5 to both sides. So it will now be the cubic root of 2 times x minus 2 plus 5 is equal to y, or f inverse of x. And this one, since you don't have a denominator, you do not have to change what the actual answer looks like, so you can do transformations on it. And here you go. Here's your answer. Thank you very much.